Righto, here we go again. This time Brandon's in the other lane. Car testing here, so hopefully that won't hold us up too much. There's Phil, look, the arsehole. Hey. I'm doing commentary.
Are you?
Yeah. Say something nice.
Very pretty night.
What?
Say something nice. It's a very pretty night.
Hey, the microphone's in your helmet, moron.
I hope the world stay together.
Righto, here we go again, same as before. Try and stick to about 8 grand, drive it out of the burnout, and hopefully I'll get better traction than I did in the last pass. Because the last one wasn't that good at all. Getting this thing to hook up and we will go a good number here tonight. Once Phil, they got to make sure the track's all clear, everything's all good. And Phil will, so hang on, he's telling us, holding us up still.
Stop launching that fucking ball patch up there.
Whoa then! Righto, here we go again. Brandon in the other lane. He weighs about 60 kilos, but I wasn't that far behind him, so that was probably a good run. I'd say that was down in the 40s. Obviously at the end of each one I'll have the time